Have you ever looked at the clock after a long nursing session and wondered when the next feed officially starts? It can feel like a puzzle when your baby nurses for a while, naps, and then is hungry again. Many parents count from the end of a feed, which makes everything seem closer together than it really is. Today, we'll clear up the timing rules and share what to do if your baby needs extra help to grow well. Feeding a new baby is a full-time job, and it can be stressful when you're not sure you're doing it right. The truth is, small adjustments can make a big difference in how feeding feels for you and how your baby grows. Whether you breastfeed, bottle feed, or do a combination, your love and care matter most. Let's walk through timing, supplementing, and tongue tie in simple, supportive steps. Just like timing labor contractions, you time feedings from the start of one feeding to the start of the next. If your baby begins nursing at 10 a.m., feeds for 40 minutes, then sleeps for 1 hour and 20 minutes, the next feeding starts at 12 p.m. That means your baby is on a 2-hour schedule, not a 1 hour and 20-minute one. This simple rule helps you plan your day and understand your baby's rhythm better. Sometimes, even with great effort and expert support, a parent can't make all the milk a baby needs. This may be due to physical reasons like low prolactin, limited glandular tissue, nerve changes after breast surgery, or significant stress affecting letdown. Other times there isn't a clear reason, and that's not your fault. What matters most is that your baby is well nourished and thriving, and there are caring ways to get there. If your baby isn't gaining well and it doesn't look like the issue will resolve in a few days, your doctor may suggest supplemental formula. There are formulas designed for supplementation, and they can be used temporarily while you work on breastfeeding. You can keep the closeness of nursing by letting your baby suckle for comfort after a bottle, or by using a supplemental nursing system. Many babies return to exclusive breastfeeding or a happy combo once they catch up, and feeding improves. Once a baby who struggled on the breast gets temporary formula, they almost always perk up and gain. If your baby still doesn't thrive, go back to the doctor to look for other causes. Your healthcare team can adjust the plan and help you find what works. Remember, you are doing a loving job by following your baby's needs. Tongue tie is a real hereditary condition in which a short or tight frenulum under the tongue limits its movement. It affects about 2 to 4% of infants and can sometimes make breastfeeding harder. Signs may include a tongue that can't extend well or looks heart-shaped, and a tongue that doesn't roll over the gum line during sucking. Not every tongue tie causes problems, but when it does, babies may struggle to latch, transfer milk, or stay latched. If the tongue can't move well, a baby may compress the nipple with the gums instead of using the tongue. This can cause sore nipples, shallow latch, clicking sounds, and frequent slipping off the breast. Some babies get frustrated and fussy because they aren't getting enough milk. If these signs sound familiar, it's a good idea to get your baby checked. If you suspect tongue tie, see your pediatrician or a lactation consultant for an evaluation. If it truly impacts feeding, a quick in-office clip of the frenulum, called a frenotomy, may be offered. The clip is brief, and many babies feed more effectively afterward. Not all pediatricians perform it, so you may be referred to a specialist if needed. A lip tie involves the tissue under the upper lip, and can sometimes affect latching. If the frenum attaches low on the gum, and you're having nursing trouble, ask an LC for positioning tips. Sometimes adjustments are all you need to improve latch and comfort. If needed, a specialist can advise on whether a revision could help. Feeding your baby is a journey, and every family's path is a little different. Time your feeds from start to start, follow your doctor's guidance, and don't feel bad if supplementing becomes part of your plan. Check for tongue or lip tie if feeding is painful or your baby struggles to stay latched and gain. With patient support, most families find a calm, nourishing routine that works beautifully.